Hello children, myself Sarita Shetty. Today we'll be doing lesson number 6, Learn MS PowerPoint. Let us see the introduction. PowerPoint, all of you know what is PowerPoint. Nowadays all the presentations, whatever you are seeing, it is all in PowerPoint. Right, now let us learn little bit of PowerPoint, not everything, but we will just see what is the environment and what are the components of the PowerPoint. Let us start here. PowerPoint is an application software program of the Microsoft Office, right? PowerPoint uses a graphical approach to presentation in the form of slideshows that accompany oral delivery of the topic. Right now, what I am doing, oral delivery I am doing to the topic, how to learn PowerPoint, right? So that is, I am going to make the slide also with the oral delivery for the topic. Okay. PowerPoint is a presentation program that allows you to create dynamic slide presentation. These presentations can include animation, right? Animation, narration. Narration means what I am talking, that I am narrating. Then images, whatever images you see. Video, I am taking an video. So video and much more. PowerPoint presentations are used for various purposes such as business meetings, teaching, corporate seminars, project presentation, etc. So right now for what I am using PowerPoint for teaching. Now here you see these are the components of the PowerPoint. Now let us see on the screen itself. Okay. We will start from how to start the PowerPoint, right? Now here I have PowerPoint on my taskbar. Already it is pinned to the taskbar, okay, because so many PPTs I have to make every now and then. I will not go here on the start button. Okay, one more thing is you have to click on the start button, then you go here in the Microsoft, right, Microsoft Office, right, Microsoft Office tool. You have Microsoft Office, just a minute, start, you go, then you have to go in Microsoft Store. Okay, in Microsoft Office you will get PowerPoint, right? So directly it is here, or I can type here also I can type MS PowerPoint. Okay, see this PowerPoint is here. I can start from here also. So there are there are 2-3 ways where how you can open PowerPoint, but I am going to open it from here. Very easy, because every now and then I keep using PowerPoint for your presentations. Okay, the PowerPoint is opening. As soon as the PowerPoint is opened, see the environment. This is how your PowerPoint 2016 will be, the environment of 2016 PowerPoint. Okay, now from here, which slide you are going to use? We will be selecting blank presentation. Okay, so double click on this and the blank presentation will open. You see this blank presentation is opened. Now let us see the components of it. Let us learn about the components. Now children, here you see save, undo. This is undo, this is redo, and this is to run the PPT presentation from the beginning. Okay, and here now slide, this slide. Okay, suppose you want to take a new slide, you want to insert a new slide, you can insert. So what is this altogether called? This bar is called as a quick access toolbar. What it is called as a, this full bar is called as a quick access toolbar. Now this is here and this can be here also. We can place it here also, as well as we can place it here also, as per your convenience, right? Now let us see what is a title bar. You see at heading of the screen is the title bar. This is called as a title bar. Okay, now what is this X? X, minimize. Suppose if I click on this minimize, it will go and place it on the taskbar. It will go and sit at the taskbar. Now it is here. I have opened it. Now minimize is to make it small. Okay, see how small it has become. Suppose with the multiple ppts you are working, so what you can do, multiple ppts, or you're sharing, you're going to copy some of the data from word to ppt, that also you can do. For that, this button is the restore button. Okay, then you have this close button. If I click this close, ppt will be off, it's not there now. Okay, so let us open again. How to open? ppt, double click. Double click, it's on. I am going to select blank presentation. I have selected blank presentation. Okay, just now we have saw this, the first topmost part. Now let us see this. This is called as a slide preview pane. Okay, this pane, whatever you see, slide preview pane, pane, pane. Okay, and here here is a slide. Whatever you want to do is you can do with this here. Okay, then let us see the status bar. You see a status bar. This is called as a status bar. How many slides you have altogether? Now right now we have only one slide, right? Then you have notes. Okay, suppose you want to type some notes. Okay, for this particular slide you want to type something, only image you are going to put in, and you are not going to type anything in the slide. What you can do, put the image here, and here you can add notes, right? Then view button, how you want to view the ppt, how do you want to view? Now suppose I will, now for y'all I will open the existing, what is there already, what is there, I will open that one. Okay, file, and suppose now sixth, okay, this I will take. Okay, just see, this is already there what I made, right? Now you see how many slides are here, 6 slides are here. And notes I have not typed because already whatever is there I have typed. Now for what I have opened this to just show the view. This is the normal view. Okay, this view is the normal view. Now let us see the slide sorter view. Okay, this is the slide sorter view. Now in this slide sorter view, children, suppose in case you want this slide here, you can exchange the slides. Suppose this slide you want here, or this slide you want here. Suppose this slide you wanted here. Okay, you can rearrange the slides. Okay. What you can do, you can rearrange the slides, right? Now let us see this. Now this is reading view. I can, when I am presenting this slide, okay, what I can do is I can click on the reading view, so that whatever I have typed can be seen bigger. Okay, can be seen bigger. Can you all see this? And this is what you can see, this cup slide show. If I click on slide show, you see this is a slide show, right? This is a slide show, what we can see. Okay, slide show, and this is the end of the show. So these were the points. Now let us go further. Just now we have seen components, slide preview pane. Okay, then creating a new presentation also we have seen. Now let us see how to save. Okay, how to save. Now for that I will again go with the new, don't save. Okay, again we'll do it. I'll go to PowerPoint. Okay, I will open the blank presentation. I am creating the, now here supposing I want to make no, just a minute. So here I say I'll make one PPT in front of you, standard 4. Okay, so lesson number 7. Okay, down, MS PowerPoint 2016. Suppose I made this, okay, this PPT I made. Now I wanted to save it. How do I save? Now for that you go to file, okay, and click on save. Click on save. Now where do I save? That I should know, okay, where should I save? That I should know. Supposing I'll go to this PC. Now in this PC I will save it on the desktop itself so that I can delete. Okay, now standard 4th is already there. File name, window, there I will type as prac1, okay, practice 1, and then I will click on the button called save. So this is how I can save the presentation, right? So how to close the presentation? I showed you. Go here and close. Presentation is closed, right? Now again we will go how to open an existing document. Okay, how to open an existing document. Now how to open an existing document? Now we will open, go to PPT. Okay, you see here we had saved the file name as standard 4 prac1. Double click. See, our file is open. Okay, I hope now you must have all understood the lesson thoroughly. Okay, to understand more better you have to go through the video again and again, okay, and go through the textbook also again and again. Here I stop my video. Thank you.